When you open up the newer versions of Photoshop Creative Cloud, here I'm using version 2018, you have a new interface for creating new files. This is most likely about what you'll see. Up at the top you see a Photoshop icon, and then you have a Work and a Learn section here. The Learn section will take you to videos that will teach you about Photoshop. Of course, the Work area allows you to look at your recent files, your Creative Cloud files, your Lightroom photos. Here I'm showing my recent ones that I've been working on. You can sort them over here by size or kind or name. You can filter your results, and you can look at them as a list or as thumbnail icons. Over on the left side here, you have an Open button and a Create New button. So basically, to create a new file in Photoshop, you can either come in to the File menu here and choose New. That would be Command-N on a Macintosh, Control-N on a PC. Or you can come down here on this button, Create New. Either way, it will open up the new Document Dialog box. And this is what it looks like. So basically, it'll give you a number of different settings that you can choose from. These are ones that I've recently done. You can save settings, and you can see suggestions about settings for photos, for prints, for art and illustration, for web, mobile, film, and video. Also, you can see templates that have been created that are either free or paid that you can use from the Creative Cloud. Over here on the right, you can choose, you can do your own. So you can give it a name. You can choose whether you're going to do pixels or inches, centimeters, so forth. So if I was doing a screen cast kind of thing, I would make it 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels with a a landscape orientation. I can make it an artboard. I can choose how many dots per inch. If I'm doing a screenshot, it'd be 72 pixels per inch. I can choose my color scheme and my bit depth, and even what I want the background to be, either transparent, custom. I can even choose a color for that, and then when I hit create, I have that new file to work with.